as the U.S. Olympic hockey team tried to make it to the gold medal game on Sunday. But the dream of Olympic gold disappeared today as the unified team beat the U.S. 5-2. The U.S. played tough until about 9 minutes left to go in the game when Komatov scores on a power play to give the unified team the lead at 3-2. The unified team scored again with about 6 minutes to play, and Davidoff would score with about 3 minutes left to wrap up the scoring. Again, the final score, unified team 5 and the U.S. 2. Canada plays Czechoslovakia today in the other semifinal game. American Hockey League action for tonight finds the Red Wings traveling to Utica. We asked Bob Crawford about some of the keys to tonight's game.
Things happen fast. Utica has a lot of big forwards that get on everybody pretty fast in that building, and that makes it kind of incumbent on the defense to move the puck quickly. And the goaltending always is a big factor at Utica, so the play of Scott King and Alan Bester, whoever starts, is probably going to be big.
We also asked Crawford about the status of Bill McDougall.
It's pretty much a cooling off period right now, and I don't think any definite moves have been made, and I don't know if there's anything planned.
Other games scheduled for tonight include Springfield at the Capital District Islanders. Halifax goes to Cape Breton. Maine plays in Moncton. Baltimore travels to New Haven, and Binghamton is at Rochester. Over in the National Hockey League, 5 games on tap. Minnesota at the Rangers. New Jersey takes on Winnipeg. The Kings travel to Calgary. Boston plays in Edmonton, and Vancouver is at San Jose. In high school wrestling, sectional competition begins today with the Section 2 Class B championships in Queensbury. The Class C battles now underway at the Granville High School, and the Class D wrestling titles up for grabs in Salem this weekend. Local wrestlers given top seeds include David Barton, Larry Slater, and John Painter from Salem, as well as Whitehall's Jamie Huntington, Justin Madison, Jason Madison, and Eric Terry. Class C #1 seeds include Zane DeJoseph and Dennis Baker from Corinth. There's a lot of action in the NBA tonight. Charlotte plays Boston in Hartford. Indiana is at New Jersey. Denver's on the road in Washington. Detroit visits Orlando. Air Jordan and company are in Atlanta. Sacramento is in Cleveland. The Spurs take on the 76ers. The Timberwolves are at Dallas. Houston goes to Utah. Portland at the Clippers. And Phoenix is in Golden State. And finally, always a good sign to warm weather fanatics, some Major League Baseball teams begin spring training today, including the Mets and the Yankees.
Okay, well, thanks a lot, Tom. Good signs of the future, huh?
Indeed.
And also tonight we should congratulate the Fort Edward basketball team who beat Corinth last night for the Adirondack League Boys Championship. And in the girls' championship, we believe it was Lake George beating Salem, so congratulations to Lake George. We carried those games last night right here on TV8. We'll be back to wrap things up in just a minute.